how can you turn off the iPhone but without the volume button? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So you're probably used to just holding down on the power button as well as the volume down button. So you'll be able to hold on both buttons and the slider to power off is going to appear. However, that is not the only way to do it, and in fact there are two other methods. The first one is by sliding down to access the control center, and in the top right of the display you can see a little power down button. So you can hold down on this and you'll get to the very same slider to power off your device. So it gets the same job done. It works, just like that, and you'll be able to turn off your iPhone this way. And as I said, there is one more method of how you can do this, and it is through the settings, where you go to the general section of your settings, and at the bottom of the list you can see the little shutdown button. So the shutdown again does the exact same thing, where you can just slide to power it off and you'll be able to do it without holding down on any physical buttons. So even if your, regular power button doesn't work, or if the volume down doesn't work, you can still turn off your iPhone this way. So let me know if you managed to find it. Let me know if there is anything else that I could help you with in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.